Welcome back, brand new video. And it's a bit of a different one here, as you can see by the title. Just trying to mix it up a bit and thought, why not? Like, what's to stop me uploading what I want to YouTube and have a bit of a chat with you guys instead of like tools or on the job, just have a general chat. Like, I'm sorting bits out now. It's a Sunday evening. We've just been recording some other videos. And I'm finding on YouTube lately, I like to stick on a video where I can just zone out a little bit, have on, listen to, in and out a little bit and do what I'm doing, basically. And a lot of the content out there at the minute from all around the board, not just electricians, anywhere, is everything so, what's the word I'm looking for? Like, it's so production, like the production behind everything and professional, which is not a bad thing. It's just you need to be, I find I need to be physically watching that at all times. I just can't have it on, listening to it. So I want to do my own style. I haven't got the money to go and make production like that, videos like that. So it is what it is, and I'm tidying up. So you can come with me, tidying up crap, and we're going to talk nonsense and what's happening, update, anything else. So yeah, just come follow me around for a bit. So yeah, I think we just started off like what's been happening, what's going on. I know I've been making videos. I never really talk like this, um, but yeah. So at the minute, the last 2 years have changed quite a lot. Ever since I come back from London, obviously I was doing my own bits for a while, and I was enjoying it. It was good. I was getting work. The work wasn't really the issue. What it was, you've probably seen it a lot of times now. I just, I just can't stand domestic. Like I love doing the odd jobs, little jobs for people, good customers, but to do that every day, it was just like it was starting to take a like toll. Like I just didn't like customers. It was simple as that. And some of the jobs, so I started working for the company I'm with now, South Wales Maintenance, and it was where I'd done my apprenticeship, and I just love everyone here. Like everyone's good. Like they're friends. We got amazing work here. Commercial, obviously, I can record when I want, depending where we're working. There's a lot of factories we can't record. I'd love to be able to record so much more. Um, and yeah, and I just got a good relationship here. So I've been doing like four to 3 days a week here. And then on Friday we do like a lot of WhatsApp stuff. I don't know if you guys would have seen it. I started a newsletter uh, about a year ago now. It's probably over a year. Probably like we're on like volume 14, I think. And as with me and Joel, it was actually camera guy today. I'm not always gonna have a camera guy, so I want to make this video just me and the camera usually, really, and just have a general chit chat pretty sure because we've just been recording. So I thought may as well record me now. But yeah, that's been going on for over a year. So we do that on Fridays. It takes a lot more time than we first thought when we started that a year ago. Can you agree with me on that one? Yeah. But we both enjoy it. We love doing it. But I do need that Friday spare. So yeah, we do that on Friday, make content. What do I just break? Oh, whatever else. So you might think, bloody hell, you can work 4 days a week. Not really, to be honest. Like we don't earn money from WhatsApp either. But I sometimes make money from like TikTok that can pay for like a Friday. So I'm definitely not like in loads or anything like that. It's just get by. Hopefully in the future, the WhatsApp stuff can make a bit of revenue where it will pay for our time. Um, but at the minute, yeah, definitely, definitely doesn't pay for our time. Um, but like I said, we enjoy it. It's nice to actually give back to the industry. And yeah, just go and check it out if you haven't checked it out. This is not a plug to the WhatsApp, wasn't planned to be. Um, but yeah, it does help us out if you do like just sign up and read it once a month. It comes out. Just go and have a read, and it'd be worth it. Again, past year podcast. If you want to see me on there on the Talk Up podcast, that's with Will and Jay. Great guys from over at Navitas. And yeah, we've been doing a podcast when we can. So yeah, check that out as well. So we've been talking about good stuff lately on there, and we got season 2 just about to kick off. So this may come out before it, I think. We got loads of guests on there. I'll see if I can leave some photos up on screen of some of the guests that we got coming on. So yeah, that's going to be exciting. I enjoy doing the podcast, just chat nonsense. It's a bit different. This is not obviously a podcast, but it's just talking to other people. We got a lot of guests on the next series, and you get kind of an inside look behind their side of the industry. Like the one most recent we recorded was with Doncaster Cables. You won't believe the amount of stuff that goes on behind the scenes of like cables, getting cables made, and the struggles that they have and whatever. So it is quite interesting. I do enjoy doing that. Again, that's on a Friday. Don't make money from it. It is what it is. I enjoy it. So yeah, it's good. So it's like I work a 4 day a week, but I definitely don't work a 4 day a week. I'm more working like a 6 day week. Like today, Sunday evening, recording. Yeah, I want to, obviously, otherwise I wouldn't be doing it. But it is what it is. Like we've just been recording now for a video for my YouTube about like testers and stuff. So this might actually come out before it. So if you see it as behind the scenes look of the pals, what a bit of kit they are, mind. Fair play to Chauvin Arnew for sending them out to have a go at and stuff. I gotta send them back. Don't worry, they haven't sent me these for free. They're like a couple of grand's bit of kit. So yeah, with this series, I'm going to try and do it once a week. Realistically, probably every other, to be honest. And we just have a general catch up. We'll talk about like some tools I've been using. I want to take the channel more to like tools. I enjoy doing on the job videos, but they're so hard to record, and there's logistics behind all of it, which I still will do them when I can. But I really like tools, and I have from the start. That's where I started my TikTok with, was tools. So I want to do more tool reviews, tool battles, and just kind of go that direction, and general chit chats like this. Because there's so many people doing YouTube and Instagram, TikTok these days. So if I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it because I want to and enjoy it. So I do feel like I fell out of enjoyment of doing it, to be honest, for a while. Because like I said, everyone's standards were getting higher and higher and higher, and it's like you can't compete with that. Like it's just not possible for me. But fair play to the ones that are doing it and doing it well. Can't fault it. And like in this series, I call it a series, whatever you want to call it, I did want to do a shout out to a video that I've watched since the last episode, and a good one I've watched recently because we've been messing around with the pels and stuff. Was a video from Residual Current. Great content he makes, and he'd done a video on energy logging, and fair play. What a good video it is as well. So I'll leave that in the notes. Go and check that out. Support someone else making good content in the industry. Another purchase, which you might have seen if you watch Dave Savo and me talking about on there, the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. Now, a bit creepy. I do admit they are a bit creepy, but the glasses with a built-in camera, so I do like POV videos. So yeah, they're great. Like if you do follow me on TikTok or Instagram and stuff, you'll see a lot more kind of that content. But I use these. The only downside, they are amazing for what they do. The quality you just can't beat on a phone, but then the style of video you can't do on a phone. So they have their purpose. I just don't use them as much as I probably wanted. But they were 300 quid. I can live over that. Do you know what I mean? I do get uses out of them. And I made a TikTok video, I think it's over 100k views using this. So I make about, I don't know, a tenner off it. So I've made some money back on it. So I'll have to make another 30 of them, and then I got my money back. So yeah, so they're decent. This is my other bit of kit by you, which my pack out stuff, my drill bag. Again, I'm doing another video on all of this. And I can't, Tough Built have just dropped their pack out kind of version, and it's launching in the UK soon. I'd love to get my hands on that and do a comparison with a Milwaukee. So I've said so many times on like the podcast and stuff, there's nothing that could compete with the pack out stuff at the moment. I don't care who it is, what you tell me, nothing. But that Tough Built stuff looks very good. So I'm thinking, have they got competitors now? So I'd love to get my hands on that. Just want to show you this. We're coming to the end of the video now, but I want to show you kind of like, I'm going to try and do like a tool in a video, which I really liked for the last couple of weeks. And it's this. No, it's not the heat gun, and it's not this box. Lol. Sure it's this one. Right, can you see it? I'm not going to dwell too much time on it, but it's this little black thing. So Metabo have brought out their own little like air tag. Kind of giving it away making this video, but at the end of the day, someone's going to make a video on it, so it is what it is. but you can attach like an air tag, their own one that collect your phone so you can see what it is, into your boxes. So it's like, you would never know that was there on there. Like, great idea. It's not going to stop it getting stolen, let's be honest, but at least you know where it is when it has been stolen, if they haven't taken that off, obviously. But yeah, I thought that's just like a great idea. I got other ones hidden around in other tools and stuff. So I thought that was just a cool idea. But yeah, that's it for this video. Just a general chit chat for 10 minutes. Probably made you bored or whatever. I don't care. If you like this video, just drop it a like. I'm going to try and do it for every other week or something, and I'm just going to keep on doing it. Don't care about the views, don't care about all of that. I'm not going to push you to like the video and stuff like that. You do what you want to do. If you want to tune in for the next one where we chat more crap, do it. So I'll see you in the next one.